Yeah, my name is Kyle. I'm from Massachusetts and I'm 41. So I would say probably within the last 2 years, I started to notice, a little more thinning than I had seen before. And so I think it was really just a matter of trying to figure out options and things I could do about that. And that's where, hair transplants seemed like a great option. Actually, just through research on social media channels. So there was an influencer on TikTok that had done a multi-part series around coming here, which was really, descriptive and very informative on like the whole process and how easy it was and how amazing the facility was here too. So it started there and then connected with Instagram and then also on YouTube too. So kind of got the full boat of everything there. It was great, actually. It felt like a little bit of artistry, I guess, in a sense. When you see it online, it just looks like markers on your head, but there's a lot more that goes into that. And so it was really cool to kind of be a part of drawing that hairline out. But then once it was finished, it just looks really good. And I even look at it right now and it looks exactly how I would want it to. So it was really exciting. It was a little long, maybe like the last 2 hours, but it wasn't that bad at all. And from a pain standpoint, I think the worst part is the local anesthetic. And you really don't feel anything after that. And even, sort of post-op too, like it hasn't been that bad at all. Maybe just a light sting for an hour or so, but pretty crazy with the amount of work that gets done that you don't really feel anything. It is, yeah. And even though it was a little rainy the entire time I was here, it was actually a lot of fun just to get out and explore the city, see all the sights. But yeah, first time here and hopefully not the last time. Just thank you so much. Everything from, I think, just the moment getting here from the airport, transport to the hotel. You really just don't have to think about anything. All you have to do is show up, and that's the hardest part. Everyone here has just been really friendly, very professional. The facilities are amazing, and it's been a really awesome experience. I would say to anybody that's even remotely considering getting one to get it. It's the best thing you'll ever do, I'm sure, and come here to do it.